Every reel the kit makes should look like it came from you, not from a template. The branding section is where you set that once, and it carries across every render. Let me open it. First, your logo. You upload it here, and it sits on the reel as a small watermark. This is the mark people start to recognize after a few posts, so it is worth setting properly. Then the colors. You control the accent, the karaoke word that lights up on the captions, the background gradient top and bottom, and the two text colors. This is what keeps every reel on brand instead of stock. You also set the headline font and how big the on-screen text sits, small, medium, or large. Small tweaks, but they are the difference between generic and yours. And you are not guessing, there is a live 9x16 preview right here that updates as you change things. What you see in this frame is what the final reel will look like. Set your branding once and forget it. Every reel from here on inherits it automatically. In the last tutorial, I press render and turn all of this into a finished video.